Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic battle between two grooming giants. On the left side, we have the Philips Oneblade replacement blade, and on the right side, we have the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400. Get ready, folks, because things are about to get hairy. Let's kick things off with the price. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade comes in at a cool $30, while the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is slightly pricier at $39. Now, I don't know about you, but I'd rather spend that extra $9 on a fancy coffee or a slice of pizza. When it comes to performance, both these products have some impressive features. The Oneblade replacement blade boasts two blades that can last up to 8 months, making it perfect for those of us who are a little lazy with our grooming routines. On the other hand, the Norelco Shaver 2400 has comfort cut blades that provide a clean shave and 27 self-sharpening blades that gently cut hair just above the skin. It's like having your own personal barber in your bathroom. Now let's talk about versatility. The Oneblade replacement blade is a true all-rounder. It can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Whether you're rocking a full beard or going for that smooth baby face, this little guy has got you covered. But wait, the Norelco Shaver 2400 isn't one to be left behind. With its 4D flex heads that move independently in 4 directions, it automatically adjusts to the curves of your face, neck, and jawline. It's like a dance party for your facial hair. Convenience is key, my friends. The Oneblade replacement blade has a glide coating and rounded tips that protect your skin, ensuring a comfortable shave every time. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just pop the heads open and rinse it under the tap. On the other side, the Norelco Shaver 2400 not only offers a pop-up trimmer for your mustache and sideburns, but also provides up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime. That's 13 shaves, or as I like to call it, a week of looking sharp without a single worry. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade is praised for its superior performance, precision, and ease of use. It provides a close and comfortable shave without irritation or nicks. The blade is durable and maintains its sharpness over time. It offers precision trimming and easy cleaning. It is a cost-effective option compared to buying a new razor. Overall, the replacement blade is highly recommended for a consistently smooth and comfortable shaving experience. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 is praised for its ease of maintenance and cleaning. It provides a satisfactory shave, although not extremely close. The battery life is decent, requiring recharging every 8 days. The deep well for cut hairs is liked, but it could be deeper. Overall, the Norelco Shaver 2400 is considered a good value for those who are okay with a not very close shave. Well, there you have it, folks. The Philips Oneblade replacement blade and the Philips Norelco Shaver 2400 have battled it out, and both have their unique strengths. It all comes down to personal preference and your grooming needs. Remember, it's not just about the products, but how they fit into your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more comparisons like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And as always, stay smart and buy smart. See you next time.